Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a get ready with me video because I'm literally just putting on my makeup and getting ready for the day as we are speaking, and it's mostly because I have a VoxBox from Influenster and it's with sleek makeup, so I'm going to be using the 3 makeup products that they sent me in this box to try. And before I go any further, I am not sponsored, I'm not being paid to speak about these products. I got these from Influencer for free for testing purposes. There's your disclosure right there. So yeah, I'm gonna give my little review on that, also kind of like a first impressions thing. So I'm going to open the box, and here's the little goodies that are inside. I will take each thing out. So first of all, it comes with this little piece of paper, I guess, with like the information of what the things are. So there you go, sleek makeup. And then the 3 items that I got was a loose pigment, highlighting elixir, and metallic eyeliner. So for the loose pigment, I got the gold loose pigment and its name is Trance. Focus on me, focus on me. That's what that is looking like. You know, if it wants to cooperate with me, there you go. Description says there are endless ways to slay with sleek makeup's new loose pigments. These pigments come in bold metallics and dazzling duochromes for high impact payoff on eyes, cheeks, and lips. Level up your look by mixing with your highlighting elixir. This baby right here, and let me show you a close up of that. That's what that's looking like. I have the gold one. And for highlighting elixirs, glow up in an instant with sleek makeup's highlighting elixir illuminating drops. The highlighting elixirs are long-lasting, highly pigmented in color, and can be worn alone or mixed with your foundation or loose pigments for that extra glow. And then with the metallic eyeliner, I have like the red looking shade. I kind of wish that I got that silver one, but yeah, I have this red one called Part-Time Lover. The color it's gonna be, and yeah, it says shine bright with sleek makeup's life-proof 12-hour wear metallic eyeliners. These pencils are majorly creamy and waterproof, letting you smudge it out where needed for perfect eyes that go all day and night. So I'm not really one to use color eyeliners in general, so this will be interesting. I'm working around this color, but yeah, let's hop into this. I don't know if I'm going to talk through. I'm probably going to talk through this. I don't really think this is the kind of video you do a voiceover for, but I'm probably going to find a way to do a voiceover. I'm just saying. I guess this is part of the video where I can like speed things up since I'm not actually using anything from the box yet. I'm gonna throw on some of that loose pigment, and I really appreciate that there's a flip top on this bottle to keep the pigment from spilling out accidentally. I really appreciate that because I hate glitter. I despise glitter, but yet we're putting all the things that I don't like on my face today. Pink, glitter, metallic eyeliner that's also pink. But yeah, I'm just gonna take that and press it in to my inner eye where I Elixir at. Now this is more like a gold color than it is that light pale pink, but I don't care. And I'm just lightly pressing it onto my eyelid. I'm really excited and happy to see that it clings very easily. I don't have to really put any effort into this. It seems like it actually stays in place as well. And I'm just lightly tapping some excess onto like where I didn't put any of the shade I was in, just to like make it fade out a little, because I don't have any shimmer on the rest of my eye. I like how that worked out. I'm gonna do that on the next side. I don't really use eyeliner in my waterline much at all in general anymore. I haven't done it in years. I don't even remember the last time I did. But we're doing it today with color. I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't know how girls like put the pencil in their eye with one hand and are just able to do that. I can't. I'm a two-hand girl. I mean, I don't like it per se, but I like how easy it slides on. I mean, that's about all you really need to know. You just need to know if it goes on smoothly or not, right? What I'm about to do is gonna make some of you go like, oh, what are you doing? I'm about to throw this highlighting elixir on top as my highlight. And I know I'm like breaking the laws and logic of makeup, because you're not supposed to put liquid like makeup on top of powder, right? I put a translucent powder and blush on just now, so we're gonna defy those rules of makeup and we're gonna do whatever the hell I want. So this actually has the thing where it sucks it up and then it's a dropper. Really cool. I've always wanted one of these, so you know I'm actually excited. Okay. So I'm just going to go on the side of the face and that's so cool. Okay. Doesn't really happen like in those other things I've seen. I'm just gonna dab this out. And you know what? Because I actually hate highlighter. I hate highlighter. And whenever I watch like beauty gurus on YouTube, they like, for the majority, like that I watch anyway, they like go ham with it and they end up looking like a sparkly disco ball at the end. I'm like, I don't like it. I'm like, I liked what you had before you know, turned yourself into a glittering mess. I think it goes back to me like hating glitter. Like I don't like highlighter, and even though I own highlighter, it's not because I gave into it. I got it to try it, and even when I do put highlighter on, I put it on and then I lightly like wipe it off with a brush to tone it down. I really can't stand it. But this is working for me because I can see the highlight and it looks natural. Like it really doesn't look like I put anything for real on my face at all, and it's just like a natural glow that's happening right now. And it kind of gives me like a dewy look, which I usually hate. I like matte lipsticks, I like matte eyeliner, I like matte foundation. I don't like the dewiness. I don't like that look because it looks like you're sweaty, but I don't mind this. So A+ work, sleek makeup. I love this. You can't really see it all that well. Well, I guess you can see it better from this angle. And I always put some on the tip of my nose and then like the bridge of my nose. I sometimes highlight my cupids though. Okay, so I'm done with like all the important stuff. So real quick, I'm just gonna throw my lips on. So the makeup is done and that's the look. So my overall review for all of the things, not much for me to say about this metallic eyeliner. It just goes on really smoothly and easily, and it's easy to work with, and so I appreciate that. Am I gonna wear it that often? No, because I prefer a black eyeliner and I don't really wear eyeliner down here that much anyway, but if I'm going to, it's gonna be black, you best believe. Also really do appreciate the loose pigment. I really like that. It's like easy to apply to anything. I did try to throw some on my lips. It's not really working today because I put on a lip gloss and I don't really wear lip gloss ever. I hate lip gloss, but for some reason I felt compelled to wear lip gloss today, so that happened. And this goes really better if you're just like putting it on top of a liquid like matte lipstick or something. But I love it. I love it on the eyes. I love the versatility of it. Love it. I would totally use this again. I'm going to use this again a lot. And I really love the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Elixir. This gives me a highlight that looks natural and not like I dumped a ton of glitter on my face. It looks natural, like a natural dewy glow, and I really love and appreciate that. Thank you, Sleek Makeup. Thank you, Influenster. This stuff is gonna be in my everyday makeup routine from now on, so yay. So these are the products. I hope you guys enjoyed my all over the place tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed the little review video on these products. Okay, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit the notification bell. I upload every week, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.